Angie will be worried of me or Angie. What happened of Angie now? I don't have update her. Did that across to your mind that Angie will be worried? Where are me now? Where is me now? What I am doing? Did that across to your mind?
No, it didn't. It didn't. It didn't.
The worried Tom cannot pay money, Tom. Of you, I am worried. I think you are dead. So I will call you Mahal and then you will call me Mahal.
Up to you. What you like.
Yeah, I want to call you Mahal ko.
You like to call me Mahal ko?
Yeah, you like that?
Why not?
So, what is your ring for? Your ring is in the wedding ring.
That's not wedding ring. Designer.
That is design ring.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that ring? It is passion ring or it is gold or silver? What is that ring?
Silver.
Silver ring. My ring is gold ring, but it is not expensive. It is only I think 5,000.
Ma, what's our food for today's video? Nandiyan ang ulam sa mangkok, kumain ka na. What is this, Ma? What kind of soup is this with baby fish? Dilis yan na may... Yawa ka, wag mo akong ma-English Junjun, ha? Lunurin kita dyan sa munggo. Nayupak na ito ang kartihan. Yan, kaka-cellphone mo, nalipasan ka na ng gutom. Kaya nagkakaganyang kambuang ka. Sige, Englishin mo ako ngayon, kaya ipokpok ko sa'yo yung kawali. Hindi ka kumain dyan! Tatanong lang. Kakain na.
Defeat.
I cry my tears away. One ticket to the moon.